If you're eating these 3 fruits regularly, your erection is in danger. And here's the worst part. Most men over 40 consume at least one of them daily, completely unaware of the damage they're causing. But hold on, because I'm also going to reveal the 3 fruits that rescue your sexual performance, boost testosterone naturally, and can transform your intimate life after 50. Stay until the end, because the 3rd good fruit will surprise you. Let's go. Hello, I'm Dr. Roberto Andrade, and today, we're going to talk about a subject doctors avoid discussing, but one that affects millions of Brazilian men: the direct relationship between diet and male sexual performance. Did you know that certain fruits, considered healthy, can destroy your testosterone production, damage blood circulation, and progressively weaken your erection? While other fruits do exactly the opposite. They increase blood flow, elevate male hormones, and drastically improve your sex life. The difference lies in their chemical composition, glycemic index, and specific substances I'm about to explain. And before we continue, subscribe to the channel and hit the bell, because every week I bring information your doctor doesn't have time to explain in the office. All right? So let's start with the 3 dangerous fruits first. The first fruit that might be sabotaging your erection is the banana. Easy now, I know you're surprised. But doctor, isn't banana healthy? Yes, it has benefits, but for men over 40 with a tendency toward weight gain or insulin resistance, excessive banana consumption is a silent poison. Why? Because a medium banana contains 27 grams of simple carbohydrates and 14 grams of sugar. When you eat bananas every day, especially more than one, you spike your insulin levels. And high insulin blocks testosterone production. Studies demonstrate that men with insulin resistance have up to 40% less testosterone than men with controlled insulin. Less testosterone means less libido, fewer morning erections, reduced sexual desire. And there's another problem. The excess potassium in bananas, if you already have kidney or heart issues common after 50, can cause hyperkalemia, which directly affects erection quality by damaging the cardiovascular system. Solution: limit yourself to 1 small banana daily, preferably after physical exercise when insulin sensitivity is higher, or simply avoid them. The second erection-killing fruit is the grape, especially green grapes and raisins. But doctor, don't grapes have antioxidants? Yes, they do. But the problem isn't what they have, it's what they do to your body. Grapes are bombs of fructose. 1 cup of grapes contains 23 grams of sugar, almost as much as a can of soda. And unlike glucose, fructose is metabolized directly in the liver, causing hepatic steatosis, the infamous fatty liver. And here's the danger. Fatty liver destroys male hormonal metabolism. Your liver is responsible for eliminating excess estrogen from the body. When it's overloaded with fat, estrogen accumulates. More estrogen, less testosterone, weak erection, and abdominal fat gain. And it gets worse. Fructose causes leptin resistance, the satiety hormone. This increases appetite, visceral fat accumulation, and chronic inflammation. Chronic inflammation reduces nitric oxide, the essential substance for strong erections. If you love grapes, limit yourself to 1 small handful daily. And never eat raisins if you want to maintain strong erections after 50. And go ahead and leave your like on this video if you're enjoying this information. The 3rd and worst killer fruit isn't exactly the fruit itself, but what they do with it: industrialized orange juice. But doctor, the label says 100% natural. Lie. Most boxed juices, even the whole ones, undergo processes that destroy fiber and concentrate sugar. A 300 ml glass of orange juice contains 24 grams of sugar and 0 fiber. Result: brutal glycemic spike, followed by a sharp sear drop, generating vascular inflammation and damage to the endothelium, the lining of blood vessels responsible for erection. But the real poison is the preservatives and the high-temperature pasteurization process that destroys natural vitamin C and creates pro-inflammatory substances. Chronic inflammation, progressive erectile dysfunction. And there's another detail. Industrialized juices contain traces of pesticides and fungicides from the oranges. These chemicals are endocrine disruptors, substances that mimic estrogen in the male body, lowering testosterone. Solution? If you want orange, eat the whole fruit with pulp and everything, or make fresh juice on the spot and drink it with the pulp. But never buy boxed juice again if you want strong erections. Now you know what to avoid. But what about the 3 fruits that save your erection, increase testosterone, and naturally improve your sexual performance? These are the true allies of men over 40. Here they are. The first powerful fruit is watermelon, and it's no accident they call it natural Viagra. Watermelon is rich in L-citrulline, an amino acid your body converts to L-arginine, which in turn produces nitric oxide. And nitric oxide is exactly what erection medications do. They dilate blood vessels, increase blood flow to the penis, and improve erection quality and duration. Italian studies showed that men with mild erectile dysfunction who consume citrulline daily had a 50% improvement in erection quality in just 30 days, without medications. Watermelon also contains lycopene, a powerful antioxidant that protects the prostate and improves cardiovascular health. And it has a low glycemic index. Despite being sweet, it doesn't cause insulin spikes. How to consume? 2 to 3 medium slices daily, preferably 2 hours before sexual activity. You can eat the white part near the rind too. It has more citrulline than the red part. The second miracle fruit is avocado. And yes, avocado is a fruit, not a vegetable. Avocado is the food richest in healthy monounsaturated fats, the same ones in olive oil. And these fats are essential for testosterone production. Your body needs healthy fat to synthesize sex hormones. Low-fat diets, low testosterone, weak erection. Avocado is also rich in vitamin E, zinc, magnesium, and potassium in just the right amount. Zinc especially is crucial. Zinc deficiency is one of the main causes of low testosterone in men over 40. Studies show that men who consume avocado regularly have better lipid profiles, less inflammation, and better endothelial function, all crucial for strong erections. How to consume? Half a medium avocado daily, preferably at breakfast or lunch. Can be plain in salads or blended with pure cocoa without sugar. Avoid with sugar or condensed milk. And the third powerful fruit, the one nobody talks about, is pomegranate. This red fruit is one of the most antioxidant-rich foods on the planet, especially punicolagens, compounds that drastically improve male cardiovascular and sexual health. University of California studies showed that men who consumed pure pomegranate juice for 4 weeks had a 24% increase in testosterone levels and significant improvement in erection quality. Pomegranate also increases nitric oxide, reduces blood pressure, improves circulation, and protects against atherosclerosis, the hardening of arteries that's one of the main causes of erectile dysfunction after 50. And there's another benefit. Pomegranate protects the prostate. Studies indicate that pomegranate compounds can reduce prostate cell growth and improve symptoms of BPH, benign prostatic hyperplasia. How to consume? 1 medium pomegranate 3 to 4 times weekly, preferably the whole seeds, or 150 ml of pure pomegranate juice, without sugar in the morning. But watch out for industrialized juices. Always prefer fresh fruit. So, are you consuming the right fruits? Look, these 3 bad fruits might be destroying your erection right now without you realizing it. And the 3 good fruits can transform your sex life in 30 days. But diet is just one part. In the next video, I'm going to reveal the 5 worst medications that destroy testosterone, and your doctor probably prescribed at least one of them to you. Don't miss it. If you enjoyed this video, leave your like, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell, and share with that friend who needs this information. And tell me in the comments, were you eating any of these bad fruits? Come on, comment down there. Big hug and see you in the next video.